Hey everybody, Derek from Milwaukee Drum Company here. Welcome to the workshop. Today I've been rehabbing this 1968 Ludwig Silver Sparkle Hollywood outfit drum set. The Hollywood outfit consists of a 12-inch mounted tom, 13-inch mounted tom, 16-inch floor tom, and this here 14 by 22 bass drum. And it's a pretty sweet kit. It's got the nice clear interiors versus the white painted interiors they did in the mid-60s. So it's cleaning up really good. The last thing I have to address here are the bass drum hoops. So on this particular set, the inlays are complete and nice, but you can see, oh, some crud. It's got to be cleaned up. You can see the black paint has seen some fun times, kind of chipping in areas. Pretty good flaky spot here. So we are gonna get the inlays masked off, get these sanded down just to even everything out, and get them repainted. So let's give it a whirl. All right, so that went really well. See if I could show you the difference now. Nice and looking brand new, not brand new, but this is really gonna make the kit pop. It's gonna look really nice now once I get the heads back on and everything put back together. This was the last little bit I had to do for this kit, so I'm excited to finish the bass drum, take some nice photos, and get it up for sale. So have a good one, everyone.